We're in a really fucked situation right now. We were deciding if we should go in or not, and we were gonna just smell the cookies, but just bought 4 cookies. It's like 3,800 calories. Kujo brand available now. Link in description. $13 a shirt. Fuck. This man is fucking size for the cookies.
Hold on, bro. I need to take a picture on my phone, dude. This shit look. I'm gonna grab this.
Yo, this shit is like too good, bro. No, this is too good. Look at this shit, bro. This is immaculate. This is scientifically, undeniably the best the cookie I put in my mouth. Yeah. So I decided I'm gonna wear this hanger for the rest of the day. I mean this what's it called? Sako? I don't even know what it's called in English, bro. Yeah, we got the hanger still on there. And possibly go both ways. Rather accidentally rip this Sako, or I don't rip it. So whichever way happens. Oh fuck. So I don't know if you guys remember those crumble cookies I ate, but that shit's fucking me up right now. Like, really badly. Press F to register. Huh? I'm searching up the barcode for this.
But why are you gonna register?
I'm searching up the barcode for this.
You can, do you work here?
No, I'm just like searching this up.
Okay.
I want to see how much it costs.
Okay, then you don't have to know to
It's like I can't just like search it up real quick.
Okay, then you have to go over here, on the other side.
I kind of want to do it myself though.
Why?
For
This
fun.
is our register, it's not for fun.
Oh, can you scan it real quick then?
You need to take it out and then do it.
All right.
There you go. Yes. Excuse me, ma'am. Go over there and just check out.
How much does this
Please.
cost?
This is $249.99.
What? Oh. I'm actually on rations right now. I don't think I can afford this.
Okay.
Oh. Where do I put this?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. That's actually like there's like no way I can get a discount on that. Oh, all right. Thank you. Oh shoot, we're fucked.
Excuse me, she's talking to you.
Huh?
She's talking to you.
You cannot go for the registered. I saw your jacket wearing with this.
Oh yeah, I took it off.
Okay, because you cannot go walk around here with you wearing it. You're not paying for it.
All right, I know. I'm still in the store though.
I understand, but you cannot just take it. Not.
I was like trying it on though. Is that
Yeah,
fine?
you're walking around. I saw you.
Yeah, I was just like trying it on.
Yeah. So please don't forget to register.
All right, I'm sorry about that.
Guys.
All right, thank you. I'm in trouble? Wait, you said I'm in trouble? Oh, all right. All right. All right, thank you. All right, bye. Yo, chill out, bruh. Chill out, bruh. Bro, you fucking recorded that, bruh. Oh shoot, yo, Peso Pluma. Can I get a picture?
You remember me from the we played at the Sunday Jump? Yeah, you did. You said Peso Pluma. You got the same.
No, I don't, bro. Mine isn't that long. Oh shoot! It's the Michael Hearn formula. It's like pre-workout or something. It's a pump blend, pump serum. Oh shoot! Ow! Ow! Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. And it didn't work. We're just like, honestly, guys, we're just playing around to make her feel even more guilty.
You should be like.
Ooh. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Put that shit on. I'm Spider-Man now. I'm Spider-Man. Oh, fuck. Dude. No way. Is that the guy from Macy's? No, it's not. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Walmart workers, Walmart workers. All right, I quit. I actually quit. I can't play baseball. Never playing baseball again in my life. I retired. Ruben Leon, when you watch this, I don't know how the fuck you play baseball, bro. Oh, fuck. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, I need help, I need help, I need help. I need help, I need help. Nothing happened. All right. Bro, it was like I didn't have the pussy clamps on it, bro. I couldn't do anything. Roar! Yeah. Oh shoot. You see brand new shirts available at tuchobrand.com. Code Silly for 15% off. Tell them.
Yeah.
Go buy Tucho Brand.
What he said, yeah, you're all the in the world, man.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. He's looking at us. He saw it and he didn't think it was us. It's like a scavenger hunt for him. It's like, Connor, where are you? Have you seen Connor? Have you seen Connor? Fuck. I don't know where he went. Oh shoot. Should I be scared? Should I be scared? Should I be scared?
You caused him trouble?
No, he got what car? Oh, the red one? Yeah. It's not ours. Like 2 days ago. Really? Yeah. 2006. Try to open it. It's not even ours, bruh. You're so dumb. That wasn't us.
Oh.
This man is so clueless.
No, I literally. Oh, this one right here?
No! We're not in a red car.
Just said you're in a red car.
No.
Going fish.
Yeah. The car's right there.
I got the rods in the back.
Hell no, I ain't going fishing.
Bro got some balls in the back.
Damn.
Oh, yeah, that's all the.
Yo, why is there so much stains on your seat, bro?
Some stains.
Bro, they've been there for a while, bro.
Uh-huh.
Some stains.
Alright, what are we doing?
Just driving. Tell us.
I'm scared right now.
What are we doing? This is the blunt.
No. I mean, no. They're